Good evening, friends. This is time for the trade plan for 13th of October 2021. Today was an interesting day. It started slow on the Nifty, and first we went down. So, the way to enter this sort of markets is to draw a good old trend line, and we had a sequence of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this finally turned into higher low, higher high. So this was the point where the Nifty gave a buy signal. It was clear that the way it was coming down, the market didn't have traction on the downside, but instead, if you see the bars on the upside, the momentum here was quite something. So for tomorrow, I would think that if we open somewhat flat and then kind of move sideways, we could have fresh upside opening up. Uh, if we open with a large gap, then things become a little tricky. But overall, I don't think there is any sense of weakness, and some amount of weakness may only come in below 17,950 now, and the market should continue to head higher and show strength. The interesting item today was the Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty initially gave you a very sideways type trend. Even here, you could draw a trend line somewhere like this, and finally, you got your upside. So, this area here, the morning bit, was a test of patience and should have been avoided. The Bank Nifty again could open flat and sideways. Once we start to take out the highs of today, which is about 38,610, I think Bank Nifty will also give you a fairly decent trade. So the better trade from a tomorrow point of view could be on the Bank Nifty. Now, having said that, we had given you a stock SBI, and as you can see, SBI broke out of 470 and gave you a nice 2.5% style move. Also, some of our swing calls did very well. Bata was one of them, and today Bata moved up about 5.5-6%. So these are things that you continue to hold on for tomorrow in terms of stocks. I think Canara Bank is showing good traction, strong upside, then a pause, and continuing on the upside. So maybe you'll probably see 200 plus on Canara Bank soon. So this is your stock for tomorrow. One more I would like to give, which is a buy on dip type of thing. This is Hindustan Unilever. It's given you a good sharp downswing. So if we get past today's high, I think Unilever could easily give you 2850. So this is the second stock. Overall pivots for tomorrow. The Nifty pivot is about 17,955. Again, the levels that we had given, and 38,420 on Bank Nifty. The market should stay above these levels. But the good thing here is that the market is showing amazing amounts of strength. I think this is a case of re-rating of our market. Something is going on underlying the market. That is the reason we are not responding to crude or global markets, etc. I think it's the entire demonetization and formalization theme which is playing underneath the market, and that is why you are seeing this sort of extraordinary amounts of buying, particularly from retail. So finally, I think the equity allocation of retail is kind of balancing the other assets. So that should be it for this small update. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care and please consult your financial advisor.